This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on your Steam Deck. To begin, you'll need to understand that playing Nintendo Switch games on your Steam Deck requires an emulator. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from setting up the necessary software to configuring your game. Remember, it's crucial to legally own your game copies and console firmware for a legitimate experience. Let's get started on transforming your Steam Deck into a portable Pokémon adventure machine. Now, let's get the emulator set up. First, you'll need to choose a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator that runs well on the Steam Deck. Once you've made your selection, proceed with the installation process, which is typically straightforward. A critical step is to obtain the necessary Switch firmware and decryption keys. These files are essential for the emulator to function correctly and play your games. Place them in the designated folders within your emulator's directory. With your emulator ready, it's time to get your Pokémon game files. It's important to legally acquire your copies of Pokémon Scarlet or Violet. Once you have the game files, transfer them to your Steam Deck. You can use a USB drive, an SD card, or network transfer for this. After the transfer, open your emulator and add the game to its library. This makes it simple to launch and play your favorite Pokémon adventure. Finally, let's optimize your experience and start playing. Dive into the emulator settings to fine-tune performance. You might adjust resolution, frame rate limits, or shader settings to achieve a smooth experience. Next, configure your Steam Deck's controls to match your preferred playstyle, ensuring a comfortable and intuitive feel. With everything set, you're ready to launch Pokémon Scarlet or Violet and embark on an exciting journey, catching and battling Pokémon wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.